Today I'm going to be baking cookies in my Cuisinart toaster oven, which has the capabilities to broil, convection broil, toast, bake, convection bake, and air fry. When I first bought this toaster oven and I baked cookies, they actually did not turn out right. They were burnt. So I tried several different attempts to get these cookies right. I baked them and decreased the temperature. I air fried them, and none of those things worked until I decided to use the convection bake function. And what I noticed was once I used convection bake, instead of using the temperature that they suggested when baking cookies, which is 350 degrees, I decreased it by 50 degrees and put it on 300 for 10 minutes. So I am using today the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough and the Pillsbury sugar cookie dough. On this cookie sheet, I have about 20 cookies, and I'm going to pop it in this oven for about 10 minutes, and I will be back to let you all know how it turned out. So 10 minutes convection bake, 300, and they are baking. So let's see what happens in about 10 minutes. All right, so the timer just went off, and I am going to check the cookies to see how they turned out. All right, they actually look pretty good. All righty. Let's get a close-up. Yes, these look awesome. This is actually how I like my cookies. I like the middle to be chewy. I don't like a hard center. And they're brown on the outside, which is good. All right, I'm gonna let them cool for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna take a bite into a few of them, and I'll leave the rest for my children to eat. I'll be back. All right, so these cookies have cooled. Here is one of the chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it because I love chocolate chip. These are really, really good. Really good. You can see the middle is chewy. It's crunchy on the outside, which I love. So good. Now the sugar cookies. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to eat about 3 of these. These turned out great. So like I said before, Cuisinart toaster oven, convection bake these, 300 degrees for 10 minutes, and you will have the perfect chocolate chip cookies if you choose to use that, or sugar cookies or whatever, but you will have the perfect baked cookies. All right, bye.